do, man. We do a few changes.
Cranking but not starting. I changed my spark plugs. I didn't change the wires, but I figured it'd be alright. But yeah, I got 12 volts of charge to my battery. I fixed my timing. My timer was a little off. I changed it, did all that with the timer distributor and all that. But it's just cranking. I'm trying to see like is there anything else I can look for. It's getting fuel. I'm trying to see exactly what can it be. I probably can't hit me while the engine going right now, but I need some help while this see why this ain't start. Like I said, I'm getting fuel, I'm getting spark, I fixed the timing. I don't know what it can be.